Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Today I brought a very interesting and curious topic for our channel. What would happen if the meteor that killed the dinosaurs fell on Earth today? Would humanity survive? Would the planet be devastated? Would the animals have any chance? Let's find out together in this video. First of all, let's remember how the event that extinguished the dinosaurs 66 million years ago was. An asteroid of about 10 kilometers in diameter hit the Earth in the region of present-day Mexico, with a force equivalent to more than a billion nuclear bombs. The impact created a crater of 200 kilometers in width, called Chicxulub, and launched a huge amount of dust, ashes and vaporized rock into the atmosphere too. These materials blocked the sunlight for months, causing a global cooling, a reduction of photosynthesis and a lethal acid rain. About 80% of the living species at the time were extinct, including almost all the dinosaurs. Now, imagine if the same asteroid fell on Earth today, what would happen? Well, depending on the location of the impact, the effects would be different. If the asteroid fell in the ocean, for example, it would cause huge tsunamis that would hit the coasts of several countries, causing floods, destruction and deaths. If the asteroid fell on land, it would generate an earthquake of magnitude 10 or more, that would be felt all over the world, besides a shock wave that would devastate everything in a radius of hundreds of kilometers. In both cases, the asteroid would also create a gigantic fireball, that would incinerate anything in its proximity, and a dust cloud that would spread across the sky, darkening the day as if it were night. But these would be only the immediate effects. The worst would come later. The dust and aerosols that the asteroid would launch into the atmosphere would remain there for years, preventing the entry of sunlight and reducing the average temperature of the planet by up to 15 degrees Celsius. This would affect drastically the climate, the agriculture, the biodiversity and the human health. Many plants and animals would die of cold, hunger or diseases. The food production would be compromised, generating hunger, malnutrition and conflicts. The air and water quality would be impaired, increasing the risks of respiratory and gastrointestinal infections. The society would collapse, and the civilization as we know it would be threatened. But would there be any chance of survival? Well, some scientists believe that yes, but with a lot of difficulty. They point out that humans have some advantages over dinosaurs, such as intelligence, technology, cooperation and adaptability. These characteristics could help us find ways to protect ourselves, to feed ourselves, to communicate and to recover from the disaster. For example, we could build underground shelters or in isolated places, grow food in greenhouses or in laboratories, use alternative or renewable energy sources, and seek international or extraterrestrial help. However, these solutions would not be easy nor accessible for everyone. Many people would be helpless, desperate and violent. Many nations would go to war, fighting for scarce resources. Many cultures and traditions would be lost, as well as many lives and dreams. It would be an apocalyptic scenario, worthy of a science fiction movie. But, unfortunately, it would not be a fiction. It would be a possible reality that could happen at any time. Therefore, it is important that we, as humans, become aware of our role on the planet, and that we do everything possible to preserve and protect it. After all, the Earth is our home, and we are its guardians. We cannot let an asteroid, or anything else, end everything that we built and achieved. We have to be prepared to face the challenges that arise, and to overcome them with wisdom and solidarity. Only then can we guarantee our future, and the future of the next generations. Did you like the video? What do you think would happen if the meteor that killed the dinosaurs fell on Earth today? Leave your comments, your opinions and your suggestions. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.